This is the RV Kitchen with 5 tips in under 3 minutes. And today we're talking about food safety. Tip number 5, install a fridge thermometer. You need to make sure food in the fridge stays at the right temperature so that it's safe to eat. Fully stocked, a fridge can represent well over $100 worth of food, so investing in a fridge thermometer just makes good sense. With all the switching on and off of utilities and propane, and the fridge needing to be level, knowing when your fridge is out of the safety zone is important. I recommend a fridge thermometer that has an alarm. Tip number 4, don't use wooden cutting boards. I use one for vegetables when I'm making videos, but they're hard to sanitize. I recommend plastic color-coded boards. They're light, they're easy to keep clean, and you can reserve one for protein. Tip number 3, water and vinegar sanitizer. It may be old school, but equal parts water and vinegar is still a great sanitizer. Spraying things like knives and cutting boards gives you an extra layer of protection. Tip number 2, take the time to date and label everything. I keep painter's tape and a Sharpie in my top drawer. Let's not forget, if you've opened it, date it before you put it back in the fridge. And tip number 1, get an instant read thermometer and know what temperature your food is. Don't rely on cook times. They're cheap and they're easy to use. Food safety doesn't have to be a big deal, but living in an RV does sometimes make it a little more challenging. Make sure your fridge and freezer stay at the right temperature. Use easy to sanitize cutting boards. Get an extra layer of protection by using water and vinegar solution. Date and label things you're putting in the fridge, and use an instant read thermometer to keep food safe. Enjoy the highways and byways.